Welcome to my channel, Feel Free with Stephanie, where we'll discuss planning, faith, love, and so much more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Welcome to my channel. With everything that's going on, I just wanted to briefly show you all how to make your own hand sanitizer. All you need is 99% rubbing alcohol. They say you can use 60, but why use 60 when you can use 99? Some aloe vera gel and some oil of your choice. So you're gonna take 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol, because rubbing alcohol is actually what kills the germs. That's 2/3. And then you're gonna take 1/3 cup of aloe vera. That is what will make your hands soft and protect your skin. And we're gonna do 1/3 cup of this. And then you will pick your oil that you want. This one's not open. Let me get another one. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I wanted to get one that's already open. And these are the different scents. I'm gonna go with lavender. And you're gonna add a few drops in there. Okay. I'm gonna shake that up. I should have had one with a top, but I don't. And then you're just gonna pour into smaller containers. And then when I go out, I'll have one in the car, one in the house, give one to my daughter, and we'll always have hand sanitizer on us. I bought a whole box of these in tubes and different things like that. Thank you for watching.